Hey guys, my name is Ayana and this is my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys how I created this cute mini dress with pockets. And to think it was created all from an oversized graphic t-shirt. Disclaimer, no major alterations were used to create this piece. For the first alteration, you want to get yourself a 1-inch wide piece of elastic. This is going to be used to create that cinched waist you normally get when you wear dresses. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be black, but if you're using different colored t-shirts, I would recommend the white. Now take your elastic, put it around the waist area you want it to rest on. For me, it's high-waisted, and pull the elastic around you until you are comfortable with the fit. Cut, overlap, and run a stitch. Once you have your elastic stitch, go ahead, put your t-shirt on inside out and pull that elastic up onto you. You can see it immediately, an instant dress. Hey! Tip: with your waistband in place, pin the front midpoint, side midpoints, and back midpoint, so you have it in place when you have to run your stitch at the machine. Remember to pull your elastic as you stitch. For second alteration, we are adding pockets. Measure down 1.5 inches from under the elastic. Mark that off, and then measure down 6 inches from the 1.5 mark. This is the pocket opening. Do the same for the other side. Let's create pocket sacks. Fold the fabric you're using in half, right side facing right side. Draw out a 6-inch line. Place your left hand down about 1/2 inch under the line and trace the hand from one end of the line to the next. Draw another 6-inch line and repeat for the right hand to create the pocket sacks needed. Once you have your markings, cut them out. Take your scissors and create a small snip at the 6-inch mark and cut up to the 1.5 mark like you see I'm doing. This just created the pocket opening. Do the same for the other side. Turn your dress right side out and let's attach the pocket sack pieces. With right side facing right side, line up the 6-inch line of one part of your pocket sack to one side of the pocket, like what you see I'm doing here. Then pin in place. Then attach the other pocket sack piece to the other side. Do the same for the other pocket and take to the machine and run your stitch. Turn the dress inside out, pull the pocket sack pieces out, line up the pocket sack pieces like so and pin to stay in place. Take either your pins or sewing clips and clip the pocket side open all the way around the pocket sack to the other pocket side. Do the same for the other side. Go to your machine and run your stitches. It's time for the third and final alteration, and that's adding adjustable elastic at my sleeves. Have your dress turned inside out. You want to measure the length of your sleeve and find the midpoint, just like what you see I'm doing here. Once you find your midpoint, mark it off and pin your adjustable elastic on that point. Do the same for the other sleeve. Now measure the length of the shoulder area of the sleeve and find the midpoint. Once you have identified the midpoint, mark it off, and that is where you would be attaching the button that the adjustable elastic would be attaching to. So guys, I hope this video inspires you to create your very own dress out of an oversized t-shirt with just 3 little alterations. So guys, till next time, deuces.